Okay, so we've got our four actors, and now what I want to do is create some behaviors so that the actors can actually interact with each other. So I'm going to go to actor behaviors, and I'm going to create a new behavior. When I create this, it asks me a few questions. We're just going to go for the default. We're going to create it in the design mode. We're going to create an actor behavior, and this actor behavior we're going to call alien movement. And then when it's taken to the design view, you can see the tab up here, alien movement, and I can start constructing my code. If you've done any Scratch work, you'll recognize that this has been shamelessly ripped off from Scratch, but there are some differences. To construct the code, we have the library over here of the things that we can do, and as you can see, it's sort of categorized different aspects of the coding. So if we return to the logic of our flowchart, what we want to do is our alien to move in one direction to detect the side of the screen that it's moving in. When it detects that side, it's going to move down, and it's going to move in the opposite direction until it hits the opposite side of the screen, move down, and repeat that behavior. So we're in the actor section of the code, and what we want to do is to get the actor moving in one direction. So we'll click on motion, and we'll drag this particular bit of code, which is the X speed. X is going across the screen, and we're going to set that to a value of 10. So that will get the actor moving in a direction from left to right. Now, in order to get it to detect when it's reached the right hand side of the screen, we're going to need to give it some more programming. We're going to need this construction, an if construction. And what we're going to have to say is if the right hand side of the screen is detected by the actor or by the program, then we're going to go in the opposite direction. So returning to our actor tab and looking for positional statements now, so we're going to drag this one on here, and we're going to put that into a construction that inquires about the scene and inquires about the width of the scene. Now we need some logic to put this together. And we're going to get a value out of here. The scene width is in pixels, and we want to test whether the x position of the x value of the actor is the same or going to hit the width of the screen. So I'm going to use this one, greater than or equals. I'm going to start putting my statement together. So if the x position of the actor is greater than or equal to the scene width, then we want something to happen. So first of all, we're going to send this sends the actor the direction of the right hand side. Now we're starting to test whether the actor has reached the right hand side of the screen here. When it has reached the right hand side of the screen, we want this direction to reverse. So we need to go back to our actor, back to our motion, and set the speed to go in the opposite direction. So in this case, we do it by putting in a minus. So go ahead and construct that piece of code.